inches, all about my inches. My dear long to me back, real or fake, my money by that, you know we're inches.
One, hope all is well with you guys. Thanks for bearing with me. I know it's like probably like 7 to 8 days since I've posted here on my channel, but I've been busy with work. Alright, when we really soon get things together, but I've been crazy busy with work. However, today is going to be on Dancehall Artist Spice. I didn't know that New Jersey is open up to party, because I know there's still restrictions, so we cannot go inside the store without a mask, 6-foot social distancing and all of that. However, Spice had a show in New Jersey, and this is what took place. I have some catching up to do, but stick around because I'm going to do all of the video that we need for them. Alright, until the video.
If you shake feet up here, no knocking at it. Put it up in a me belly, macking, never macking. Oh, you're not the always for now. Put that shoulder top, put that top, put that knock, you know, up top. Party start, this community coming now. We borrow monkey, and we roll the law, and we roll that.
Like the way I went between the sheets. Baby, come over, let me scream and grab the sheet.
Stop me tonight and tear up the sheet. Beat up me fat pum pum underneath. For me, I go do it on the under the sheet. Yeah, that's how I let me see how you like one.
The man I say me smell between the shade. Me nah no old and nah no stinking underneath.
Stop me tonight and tear up the sheet. Beat up me fat pum pum underneath. Man, tell me some like a pum pum sweet. You like coming. Under the sheet, under the sheet, under the sheet. When you're under the sheet, they call me back under the sheet. Who's the bad guy who hide the underneath? You're on the sheet, tell me why you did it. You beat up me fat pum pum underneath. How for madness? How for madness? Cause a long time I practice, my neck never so strong. And that's why I bring back authorized placer. Before you even go, hold on, shorty. Shorty.
Inches, all about my inches. Inches, all about my inches.
Right here, come back. And neck me a check for. Alright, your time now, play it.